What is exchange rate? Imagine you're going on holiday to Spain with £500. Before you leave, you exchange your pounds for euros. The amount of euro you receive depends on the exchange rate. For example, £1 might equal to 1.20 euros one day and you get 600 euros, but only 1.05 another day and you get 525 euros. That's 75 euros less. Now think this for businesses trading millions of pounds internationally. These changes can have a huge financial impact, and we are going to cover everything in this video. Let's first understand what are exchange rates. An exchange rate is the value of one currency compared to another currency. For example, it shows how many euros you can buy with £1, how many US dollars you can buy with £1, and how much foreign currency equals £1. Exchange rates change every day due to supply and demand in global financial market. If more people want to buy pounds, the pound becomes stronger. If more people sell pounds, pound becomes weaker. Why exchange rates matter for businesses? Exchange rates affect many UK businesses because they often buy goods or raw materials from abroad, sell products to international customers. Even businesses that operate mainly in the UK might still be affected if they import products or ingredients. A key idea to remember is that a strong pound and a weak pound affect businesses differently. So what happens when the pound is strong? A strong pound means £1 buys more currency. This benefits importers, which are businesses that buy goods from other countries. Advantages include imported goods become cheaper to buy, business costs decrease, companies might increase profit or reduce prices. Customers also benefit because imported products cost less, foreign holidays become cheaper. However, exporters might feel the pain. Exporters are businesses that sell products to other countries. If the pound is strong, foreign customers must spend more of their currency to buy UK goods. UK products become more expensive overseas. Demand for UK exports might fall. What happens when the pound is weak? A weak pound means £1 buys less foreign currency. This benefits exporters. Advantages include UK products become cheaper for foreign customers, demand for export might increase, businesses might see higher sales and profits. A weak pound can also increase holidays because visiting the UK becomes cheaper for international visitors. However, importers face problem. Imported goods become more expensive, which means businesses face higher costs. Companies might increase prices, customers might experience inflation. You might be thinking, why exchange rates change? Exchange rates change due to a number of factors, including speculation, currency traders buying or selling based on future expectations, interest rates. Higher UK interest rate attract foreign investors, increasing demand for pounds. Economic performance. A strong economy can strengthen the pound. Political stability. Political uncertainty can weaken a currency. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on next video.